How to create a group on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a group on Telegram. So first of all, let's open our Telegram app. And now, in order to create a group, you'll have to tap on the pencil icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to this page where if you look closely on the top side of the screen, you can see the option New Group, so simply tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose all of the people whom you want to add to your group. You can choose up to a maximum of 200,000 people on your group. So, select the members of your group. Now, once you've selected the people whom you want to be on your group, simply tap on the little arrow icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And now, enter the group's name. So let's simply name it Test Group. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can add a photo by tapping this option right over here. But for now, we'll simply skip this process. And now once you tap on this tick icon, the group will be successfully created. So that is basically how you create a group on Telegram. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.